Hello, class. Mr. Stone here. The problem they gave us today is which expression is the least, okay? So that means least means smaller, okay? So what expression is going to have the smallest result, okay? So let's see, they gave us three different examples and I drew three different number lines, okay? So the first one is a -5 plus a -7, okay? So, hey, let's solve that one, okay? So I'm going to put a dot on the -5, okay? Now we're going to move to the negative side because the negative plus a positive times a negative is a negative. So we're still moving to the negative side, okay? So, hey, we're going to go over 7. Let's see where we end up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to end up at -12, okay? Hey, this is pretty low, okay? Now, if I was doing a test, I'd probably be looking at the other one saying, hey, it's a positive plus a positive. You know that's going to be on the right-hand side. We got a positive number minus a negative number. That's not going to be as far. I probably would have just checked A and, hey, move on to the next problem, okay? That's what I would have done on an exam. But we're going to solve each one of these, and I'm going to show you another way to solve these two, okay? So let's do B, okay? So we got a +5, so let's go mark the +5 on the next one. Okay, I put it right there, a little dot, okay? Little dot there. And now it says plus a +7, okay? So we're going to move to the right because we're going, it's positives. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to be at 12 over here, okay? Well, we know that one ain't going to be it, okay? We're far off, okay? This ain't the least. Now, what's the next one? It's a +5, so we're going to start at the positive side. And now it's a negative times a positive, so that's going to be a negative. So we're going to go to the negative side with this. We're going to do 7. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to be -2. -2. So that's not it. So A is our answer. Okay, A is our answer. This one here, okay? Now I'm going to show you another way to solve these, okay? So you could draw these number lines, and they might take a little while because you got to write the 1s, 2s, 3s. You can write all these things, okay? I'm going to show you how to solve these with just a simple T-chart, okay? I'm a big fan of the T-chart, okay? So let's see. We're going to do the first one. So we just draw the simple T. That takes 2 seconds, okay? We're going to draw a negative side and a positive side. So, hey, what do we got on the negative side? We got a 5. And what's the next number? It's another -7. Answer, 12. What team won? The negative. So it's a -12. Okay, solve that real fast, okay? Now the next one, okay? This is A. Now B. B, simple T-chart, takes 2 seconds to draw. Okay, what do we got? We got a negative side and a positive side. Okay, what are we going to have? We're going to have a 5 on the positive. What's the next number? It's a +7, a 7. Okay? What team won? The positive side. And they won by 12. Okay? So we know that ain't right. Okay, now let's do the next one, okay? We got into kind of like the math first, okay? So really the fact that it's a negative times a positive, it's going to convert into a negative, okay? So it's going to make this a -7, okay? That's how it's going to come out, okay? So we get a negative team and a positive team. But the trick on this one is the fact that you got a negative, it's a minus, okay? So we're going to have a +5. And now, because it was a minus times a positive, it's going to be a -7. So 7, okay? What team won? It was -2. And that's the answers, okay? But you see how we got it with the simple T-chart without drawing the number line? So that's just the second way to solve these, okay? You do whatever way you can come up with, okay? And like I said, I probably would have ruled A right in the beginning because of the fact that I was so far over to the left, and none of these other ones even got close to that, okay? So I would have grabbed the A, and I would have moved on, okay, on a test, okay? And, hey, if you finish the test early, you always go back and say, hey, did I do this correctly, okay? And just recheck your work, okay? Just in case you made a simple mistake somewhere along the line. and you know it was another number. But at least always double check your work. Never be the first one to turn in your test. Always be one of the last ones. The teacher's flipping the lights, the bell's ringing, you got to go to the next class, okay? But double check your work, okay? And write neat on your scratch piece of paper so you can reread your notes as you write, okay? So you can double check. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It'll help my YouTube ratings. If you have any mathematical friends or if you have kids or grandkids that are in math, share this with them because maybe this will help them in their lessons, okay? And you have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.